Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 centralized exchange coins that I think you should be accumulating through this dip. However, I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, let's jump into the first coin. And without any surprises, really, this is going to be BNB. And this is in no particular order, by the way. So this is not like a number 5 is going to be the worst investment and number 1 is going to be the best one, in my opinion. But I do want to say that I don't really like Binance. And by that, I mean I don't like Binance's shady team. Okay. And their coin did spike in the price, obviously, during the last year's bull cycle, as you can see. And if we talk about some of the benefits of centralized exchange coins, which is really the most important thing you should be focusing on, and it also depends on which exchange best suits you. Now, with the BNB token, or with the BNB coin, I should say, you can be making credit card payments, you can pay for travel arrangements, you can buy virtual gifts, you can make investments, you can make loans and transfers, you can donate to charities, and you can get trading discounts. Now, they are burning their tokens and they want to burn until they reduce the circulating supply to 100 million tokens. Right now, it's sitting at 163 million. So a bit, quite more, a lot more coins to burn, but the less the supply, the easier for the price to move up. So the current market cap is sitting at $37 billion. And the entire supply is out in circulation, which is great. And right now, BNB has a lot of FUD, so I would be very careful investing into this coin. And you can search it up on CoinMarketCap. Also, if we go to this website over here on the Binance's website, here you can get a more detailed list of all the things that you can do. You can also earn up to 40% commission via the referral program. If you have a certain amount of BNB, I think you need to have at least 20 BNB or 10 BNB. I might be wrong. And you can also take part in their Binance launch pool. And you can also stake your BNB to earn rewards and help secure the BNB chain ecosystem. So yeah, a lot of different benefits. Obviously, here you can read about the BNB burns. But if you are using the BNB or the Binance exchange, I should say, then I would suggest you try to move your assets from all centralized exchanges. But if you really like using an exchange and it has all the coins that you really want to invest in or you really want to trade, then then I would recommend looking at the token of the exchange. Now, moving over to the 4th spot on our list, we are going to be looking at the FTX token, which has the FTT as its ticker. Now here the market cap is sitting at $3.5 billion. The total supply is 331 million tokens and the max supply is 352 million tokens. However, the circulating supply is only 135.5 million tokens. So there is only 38% of the total supply in circulation. And if I go to all over here, you can see that the all-time high prices here for the FTT token were at around about $74. We have since then moved all the way down here. Now, FTX is not as big as Binance, obviously, you all know that. So there are going to be less benefits of holding this token. And here on CoinMarketCap, we can actually read some of the benefits that you can get for holding the token. The token will serve as collateral for futures positions. You can get trading discounts, which is going to be really the feature of all the centralized exchange coins that we take a look in this video. You can receive OTC rebates and more. So you can also stake the token on their platform to earn rewards. But as you can see, it doesn't have that many use cases. And if you really use FTX a lot and you pay a lot of fees over there, then it would be smart to stake some FTT tokens. I'm not going to be planning to invest into the FTT token. However, if I find myself using the FTX exchange in the near future, I will potentially invest in the token. But that's it for the fourth spot. Let's move over to number 3. So next up, we have the Probit Global token, ticker PROB. So this is quite an interesting one. I am signed up on this exchange, and I do have one token over there that I bought, and that's a low cap gem that I shared on Patreon. The link is going to be down below in the description. I do share my low cap gems in there. So as you can see, we have been at an all-time high price of around about 61 cents. Right now, we're sitting at 15 cents. The circulating supply is 48 million tokens out of the total supply, which is 190 million. So we're quite low on the circulating supply based on the total supply, but it's only available on Probit Global. If you want to sign up with any of these exchanges that I'm going to be mentioning down below, you can look for trading discounts down below in the description. If we move over to this link over here on probit.com, first of all, you can stake your tokens, and depending on the amount you stake, you can get different trading fees and trading fees when paying with the probe token itself, and you can get a referral bonus as well. So as you can see, if you stake 1 million tokens, you are going to get 0.05 trading fee. You're going to get a 0.03 discount when paying with probe, and you're going to get a 30% referral. And if you stake 500 tokens, which is the least amount, your trading fee is going to be 0.19%, and the trading fee when paying with probe is going to be 0.17%, with the referral bonus going down to 10%. So here you can see the tokenomics. You can download the white paper if you want to. So you can stake your probe now and get lower trading fees. You can use the probe to purchase exclusive tokens with huge discounts, which is really interesting. So this is very interesting, using their Probit Global token, where you can't buy the tokens with their, for example, with any stablecoin, but you have to do it with their native token, which is great. And you can join competitions and win prizes with their probe token, and you can earn 10 to 30% referral by bringing friends to Probit Global. So like I said, I have an account on this exchange. I'm fully verified. I do have one purchase on this exchange, and once I want to get more low cap gems, this is the place that I'm gonna come to, because Binance doesn't have all the low cap gems, right? Probit Global has a ton of good low cap gem projects. So yeah, now let's move over to the next spot. Now next up, we have Cronos's CRO token, or Crypto.com's. They did rebrand recently, so that's why you are seeing Cronos all over the place. So their circulating supply is 83% of the total supply. Market cap is sitting at $3 billion, 12 cents per token right now. And I do want to say straight away that they seem to be all about decentralization, just like any other centralized exchange. But in reality, I do know a YouTuber from Ukraine. Well, I don't know him personally, but I do watch some of his videos, and he had 800,000 tokens, 800,000 CRO tokens staked on their exchange. He always promoted their exchange for free because he really did like the product, but they ended up freezing his account for no apparent reason. The support team was terrible, and yeah, these are the realities of dealing with centralized exchanges. And it just so happened that he has a YouTube channel, and he can share all of this basically. So this is something to keep in mind. Now let's jump into Crypto.com's website over here. So they do have a couple of benefits for holding the Crypto.com token, for staking it. For example, here, if you stake CRO 350 euros worth of Crypto.com, or 3,500 euros, or 35,000 or 350,000 euros, you get different credit cards here with different benefits. And obviously, for staking the token itself, you will be getting an APY. Now they are burning their tokens as well, and here you can calculate your rewards for staking the CRO token. For example, if you put in $1,000 right now and you stake for 3 months, you're going to earn $60, and if the price goes up, you're going to earn a lot more. And I do like their I do like their project. It's just that this thing with the Ukrainian YouTuber who got his crypto frozen up for no apparent reason really, really leaves a bad taste in my mouth. And I'm not going to be investing in this project anytime soon. I'm going to be buying into the higher caps. I'm going to be buying into the next two projects that I'm going to show you. That's right, two. So moving over to our next spot over here. And before we do that, I do want to tell you that there is another centralized exchange coin that I am keeping my eyes on, and I will share that on my Patreon exclusively. So this will be an exclusive honorable mention out of this top 5 that I will share on my Patreon and on my Patreon only. And yeah, so if you want to know what's that, then feel free to join my Patreon. The link is going to be down below in the description. So the final pick is going to be the KCS token from the KuCoin exchange. Now, I do want to say that I like KuCoin a lot more than I like Binance because their app works a lot better and it's just smoother, and I just like it so much more. They have a lot of projects that I'm looking at, and Binance really only lists, ape NFT coins and stuff like that. So I do really like the exchange. Their token has a lot of utility. That's why you see it hasn't dropped that significantly. It had this peak all the way back in the bull market of 2017. Then it dropped down below $1 and it was trading like this for a couple of years before it really started pumping. So if we go to the market cap, it's sitting at $1 billion, $10.50 per token. You have 58% of the total supply in circulation right now. So now jumping over here into their website, so they do have multiple use cases for the token. Obviously, you can enjoy trading discounts of 20%. The use cases of the token also include participation in token sales on KuCoin Spotlight, which is basically like the Binance launch pool, as well as the log drop, burning drop of the PoolX platform. So furthermore, KCS as a payment method also has a ton of use cases, such as Swirl Pay, a decentralized payment service. You have Play Game. You have KCS to be used to make hotel reservations on Travala. So what makes the token unique is the incentive mechanism for KCS holders and the KuCoin ecosystem builders. It is also regarded as one of the best ways to make passive income. Users who hold at least 6 KCS can get a daily bonus, which comes from 50% of KuCoin's daily trading fee revenue. The amount of rewards that users can get depends on the number of KCS holders and the trading volume itself. With the increasing trading volume of KuCoin, the estimated APR of the KCS bonus exceeds 30% lately. So according to the KuCoin annual report, one KuCoin user got over 70,000 KCS bonus in 2020. So this is a really good way for you to earn some passive income using the KCS token. You can hold at least 6 of them and get daily bonuses. So this is why I do like this token a lot more than I like BNBs. And yeah. So that is pretty much it. If you want to get the honorable mention, feel free to join my Patreon. Let me know what other exchanges that you would like to invest in, and let me know what you think of the list. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to follow me on Twitter. I do post interesting stuff over there as well. All the links to all the exchanges are going to be down below in the description. If you want to sign up with either of the exchanges, you're going to have sign up links down below at the bottom of the description. You will get trading discounts if you sign up with one of the links, and obviously I do get a bonus myself, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.